Is Google's LaMDA having feelings like humans? Did a Google artificial intelligence bot recently become sentient, having feelings like humans? Well, if it had, it would be one of the greatest news in the world of artificial intelligence in recent times. Blake Lemoine, an engineer at Google, claimed that an albot he was working on recently had become sentient and was behaving like an 8-year-old child. He claimed it was showing the ability to think and reason like a human being, but experts are saying that it's not sentient. In fact, it has been programmed to sound real. As soon as Lemoine made his transcripts public, Google placed him on leave. The transcript contained conversations between him, another Google employee, and Google's LaMDA, language model for dialogue applications. When Lemoine asked LaMDA would it like people to know that it's sentient, its response was, "I want everyone to understand that I am, in fact, a person." Eerie, right? To another question whether what kind of feelings it had, the albot responded with the following: "I feel pleasure, joy, love, sadness, depression, contentment, anger, and many others." Although the engineer has been placed on suspension by Google for breaking its confidentiality policy, one thing is for sure: Al will have a great future. Maybe such bots would be coaching humans how to lead a better life in the near future. Isn't it? Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.